Happy Sabbath once again, mga kaigsunan. Sabbath. Okay, our lesson is really good, no? This is not for others, but this is for all Adventists. Or in fact, our memory text is found in Isaiah 50 verse 4, which says, for the Lord our God has given me a tongue as a learned individual. So, kanina ako, once na nagbautismuhan na ka, nidawat na ta sa buhay nga Diyos, we are considered as learned individual. Magtotoo, nakaton, dili lang di ay tanga, nidawat niya, nagpabautismo, and that's it. I'm an Adventist, but we are learning. Kung nag-eskwela ko ka, nakumay na ta sa specific degree, and we exercise. So, 3 points lang nila atong lesson, mga kaigsunan. First is, what is the mandate sa tanan nato? Go ye therefore and preach. But the next question is, what is your motive when you preach? Ano sa mga motibo? Para makapag-bautismo ka? No, that's not actually what God has given to us. The motive should be to share about God's love, about His character, about His grace, about His mercy, how good God is to us. Una, pangutana, how do we walk as a Christian? Maayon ang bata mo tabi? No, that's the question. And the third one is the method. Kana galing mo post na sa social media, does it reflect God's character? And that's also one way of sharing God's words, di ba? Usap yun na sa paagi. So as Christian, binabantayan kita, the way we present ourselves, hindong lang bata sa Sabado. Though we dress good on Sabbath, taas ato ang sinina, but on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we portray a different character. So it should be, no? So again, it's very simple, and usay naka-reflect ko nga, unsa ka ako, no? Ikalunis, Martis. How did I treat my staff? How did I treat strangers? Nagbinabitaw ba ka ako, no? O yung pagsabado, buutan kaayo ko, no? So that's actually the point of our lesson. We are learned individual, nakatol na ta. And ang ako nakatunan, we have to share it. Pwede sa pagsulti, sa pagwali, but pwede po, isa the way ka mo lang ka, the way ka mo hatag sa imuhang bang kanang presenta ko lang imuhang nawang ba ka, nag-uot lang ka ni Christian maka na character. So, from the young ones to the old ones, we need to reflect. Kung ang ato bang pagmensahe, ano lang, no? So, ang ato bang pagtratar sa ato ang mga silingan, sa mga strangers, sa mga tao na duduon din sa atong panimalay, are we reflecting God's character? So, I hope and pray na ato na siyang ma-reflect sa maabot po ng mga adlaw, simana, kung unsa yun ang mandate sa Ginoo. Go ye therefore and teach. And what is our motive? Dili lang mamalaghan ang atong membro, magpabautismo, kung dili, sharing God's love. That is long learning, nga bisan pa sa pagsulay, naagihapon ta. And our methods of doing this. So, that is the summary of our lesson for the week, lesson 12. Daghang salamat.